Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to talk to you about how you can easily create a project in Asana. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go up here and you will find the plus button. Click on it and then just click project. When you're here, you can choose with these or general templates. So let's just say, I don't know, create marketing strategy. And now what you want to do is click here and use template. Let's name it marketing strategy. It's okay. You can make it public or private and create a project. So now when you have it, you have options here. You can close everything here. You can add sections. Really up to you. You have board here, timeline, calendar, progress, and forms. And that's kind of it. So this is how we can create a project. You can add a task here and let's just write here. I mean, we can delete this section and everything if you would like. Delete so it's more clear for you. So let's add section and let's name it Snapchat. And now, so when we have it, task name, Snapchat add, Snapchat graphic. Quite simple. Now you can also assign it. Due date, Friday, priority, you can change the medium. So right now we have it here. When we go to board, you can see it right here also. You can description. Then you have timeline here, but you need to, if you want to have timeline, you need to upgrade it. Calendar, also quite simple. Progress, what is happening, status, and forms. But you need to also upgrade it to use it. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.